Morning everybody, hope you're all well. I'm on another roof clean today, so my regulars will recognise this place. I was here a year and a half ago. I did the front and a side area. Now let me turn you round so you'll probably recognise it. I will send the drone up so you can have a better look, but that was done a year and a half ago, and not this section here because I didn't want that doing, but the bit round the side. Now look at that. I mean, that's a year and a half ago. Still looks like it was done yesterday. And there's a whopping great big tree next to it as well. So yeah, happy with that. Put it this way, if you didn't put a treatment on there, all that section there next to the tree, that'd be green, that'd be covered in algae and moss, because it soon recolonises if you don't treat it. Hence the importance of putting a chemical treatment on there. So what I'm doing today is this section around here. So at the time the customer didn't really feel it was necessary to do this section, which is fine. I'm happy to quote whatever the customer wants, but now they want me to come back and do this side, all along there, and that section there. This area is not as bad as it is around the front. I mean, I can definitely see a few cracked tiles. 1, 2, only 2 so far, but I'm sure there's more up there. Oh, there's a slip one as well, I can see. As usual, I'll be taking photos because I know I say this all the time, but it's not that you're saying the customer's going to accuse you of anything, but because the customer is normally unaware of these problems, it's only sort of natural that they might try and blame you because you were the last one up there. You were the last one to clean it, last one doing something with that roof. So always, if you are in this industry, if you are new to this industry, always take before and after photos. Even if you don't plan on using those for social media or anything like that, just take photos of the whole roof, because even if you miss something, you can always zoom in and check that the problem was already there before you started. So yeah, major thing to do, take photos. So yeah, it's going to be an absolute scorcher today. It's supposed to be 34, 35 degrees. This is the 3rd heat wave in the UK that we've had. I really struggle in this heat, but I can work all day long in -3 temperatures in the winter. In the summer, obviously I'll do the job, but I struggle. I find it really difficult. I mean, in the winter you can regulate your temperature by putting on more layers, wearing gloves, nice thick socks in your wellies and stuff like that. But in the summer, what can you do? You're baking hot, and how do you cool down? You can't cool down, so you just have to put up with it. But it's just one of those things. Anyway, so enough talk. Let's take some photos, get the drone up, and we'll get cracking. So I've just disconnected some of these gutters. I've had to take some of them apart because the downpipes are absolutely solid together. I can't get them apart. They're not budging for love nor money, so I've just taken apart the actual guttering. That bit there I've just blocked up with a sponge and taken the end cap off. That one there I've taken apart. That one there taken apart. That one managed to come apart naturally, how it should. The only one out of all 4. But anyway, can you see the sweat already? I'm not even doing anything. Let's stop chatting and get started. Cheers. Okay guys, it's getting warm now, it really is. I just want to get started before the sun gets round to me, but hey. Anyway, so it's not as bad round here as it was round the front, which makes perfect sense, because obviously you've got that huge mature tree there that would be dropping branches and all sorts on top of the roof, cracking the tiles. But this side you've got a spalled one there, slightly one half of one missing there. Apart from that, don't look too bad at all. The ridge tiles are good, really good. Pointing doesn't look too bad at all. Oh look, there's a slipped one there, somewhere there. I can see it with my eyes, but I can't see it through this little screen on the GoPro, but I might try and nudge that back into position. rather than let it slip. Anyway, let's get cracking, people, and get this clean. Okay guys, we're doing well. That's that base done. All along there. Just that little bit to do. And that's washed. Then we'll get some treatment on it. Okay guys, that is another scorching job completed. Let's turn you around. Check that out. That looks lovely. So just as good as the other side now. We'll send the drone up and get some comparison shots. Right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.